It's Shannon here from Hyundai and Pembroke. Right now we have the factory authorized clearout. It's on, and that means 0% available on all 2020 models, 0% up to 84 months on Santa Fe's, Tucson's, and Elantras, up to $4,000 off in price adjustments, and loyalty and military rebates with up to $1,500 off. And if that's not all, if you work for one of our lending institutions, RBC, TD, and Scotiabank, you're eligible for dealer invoice pricing. Right now, come on into Hyundai Pembroke and let us welcome you to the Hyundai Pembroke family, where car buying is made simple, period. Or visit us online at HyundaiPembroke.ca. Hyundai Pembroke, voted Ottawa Valley's favorite new and used car dealer.